Hi guys, Hiccup Chicken here. Welcome back to Deltarune Part 2, but this one's going to be longer than 12 minutes. Alright, so last time we went to the bloody storage cupboard to find some chalk, because this idiot Susie keeps eating them. That's weird, I can't find a switch. Guess it's further in, guess it's further out. Bye, Susie. Chris! If you leave me here, Chris, if you leave me here, Chris, if you leave me here. Yeah, no, the dialogue isn't changing. Oh, he's scared, Susie. Got a bit for a closet. Oh, you think we would have reached the end by now? Hey, Chris. I think this closet is broken. There aren't any walls. Well, we've heard hard enough. I feel this was chalk so bad you can get it. Let's split. Yeah, let's go home. You just locked the door. What the? Hey, this isn't funny. Let us out. Let us. Someone slammed the door. Mark? I'm not coming down with Susie. The floor. It's. I don't want to go with Susie. Whee! Thank you for watching Deltarune, and I'll see you later. Bye. Well, I've got to end it. I completely forgot to end it. No, I'm just kidding. There's more to the game. Right. I wouldn't just end it. Oh, we look cool. We look snazzy. Why do we walk so slow is my only thing. At times you see it flickering. The light only you could see blah 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 blah. I don't care. This is weird. I'm so slow. Must be like a way to run. I guess I'll just walk until the game teaches me how to run. This is weird, so I guess this is the Deltarune? I don't know. Where's the Delta bit and where's the room bit? Wait, you know I said this video was going to be quite long. I think this one's going to be quite short and then the next one's going to be like 30 minutes. So maybe like, yeah, probably about 30-40 minutes. Huh! Friendliness pellets! Oh, I like how your soul is showing. Put away. I puzzle? I hate puzzles. Oh, what? Okay, that. Okay, it's fine. Oh, done it. Can we go now? Oh, I have to turn them all off. I really just want to run. Gosh, I just randomly press buttons. Can't go. Are you joking? Hey, back off! Come any closer and I'll. Chris? Hey, don't scare me like that. Done. Dumbass! Unless you want to get clocked in the face. Hey. Anyways, enough screwing. We gotta find a way out of here. Just wrong. Where is here anyway? It doesn't matter. You got us into this mess. You get us out. Lead the way, Chris. Can we run? Oh my god, never mind, you walk way too slow. You shut up, Susie. Look, I think I found the button. No. Hey, Chris. Someone waving at us. Any idea what they want? Kill us? Duh. Run, Chris! Oh, I'm not pressing any buttons. I don't know how to run, I'm a fat kid. I'm Chris, the fat kid, I can't run. Oh God, help. Whoa! Oh, you're not dead. Sweet. Go and go to what the heck this place is, meaning if there's anything in the building. It's a building. That's an inn. It looks like a shop. What? Going in. Right, we're gonna have to end this one here at 6 minutes. I know, sorry. Next one, 30 minutes. Promise. Goodbye.